Welcome back, subscribers. Big shout out to Pitboss Grills. As you guys probably know, we're Pitboss ambassadors. They just sent us the new Pitboss Deluxe Griddle. It's awesome. So basically, we just hit it. You seen on the video, we just hit it with some olive oil to season it. It's got a high burning point, that's why we use olive oil. But a big point, it has to be extra virgin olive oil. The other olive oil, it's not as pure as this, that's why it's cheaper, has a lower burning point. So get extra virgin olive oil. We're letting that burn off, get its first seasoning, and then we're throwing down cheesesteaks, because that's what Philly does. So we're gonna bring you a chicken cheesesteak, buffalo chicken cheesesteak, and a regular cheesesteak. And in true Philly fashion, we brought the onions. So let's do the damn thing, and click that like and subscribe, guys. All right, guys, so we got this rolling. On this side, we got it a little higher. Just tends to get more heat. Seems like the gas has to come through this side, so it's getting hotter over here. We got this lower so we could simmer our onions. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna throw these onions on. And we love onions, so throw the whole damn thing on there. Of course, even them out. We wanna get those going. We gotta throw that chicken on. Throw a little olive oil down there. Take our chicken. It's roughly a pound of chicken already shredded, breast. It's already shaved. While you're doing this, start hitting it with some D-rub. AP powers. All right, got that going a couple minutes now. We're gonna throw the beef on. I think it's about ready for cheese. Actually separate. We're gonna do this side with the buffalo. We're gonna do that one plain. Mix that up real quick, and we'll hit that with the buffalo, and then we'll cheese them up. Let this beef keep doing its thing. Don't be afraid to give it more D-rub love. And since we're psychopaths, a little bit of D-rub on the onions. Why the hell not? Get you that rub at whitepoolsbarbecue.net. It's amazing. Time to hit that with cheese. We got our American processed cheese. I'm gonna get that with sauce before we cheese it. Gave it a lot of love.
A little too much sauce.
Yeah.
I say. Holy fuck.
It's all right. The best part is it's on my shoe. So that's the real victory. All right, that's a little better, guys. Takes me back to our first brisket video when I said don't go bat with it. That's how it happens. So we're gonna add our cheese after we get that incorporated in well. What? You want this? Or you want that?
I don't need heartburn today.
I hear you. That looks amazing, bro. That's all you. Separate these. That's looking amazing, guys. Wow. This can just be extra. Gonna get those cheesesteaks off, and we're gonna dig in. You want onions on your cheesesteak?
Actually, I'll take it without since I have the onions on the chicken.
All right, I'll put them all on mine then. No onions on yours, right? But you had onions on your chicken. That last one. I'm gonna shut her down. It's plenty hot. Hope you guys realize the simplicity of this. There's not a lot to explain. You just gotta kind of watch your temperatures, pay attention to timing. And it's really not that complicated. It can be a complete mess. It's gonna be delicious, guys. That's what a griddle's all about. Can't wait to do some breakfast on here. And to give you guys like a nice review of it, it seems to be a very steady, 100% reliable so far. And it's a quick cook, but seems like it cooks very well. And we could do a lot with it. So we're gonna actually do a lot with this thing in the future for sure. Cheesesteaks are just the basics. You gotta make a cheesesteak on this, right? But we're gonna come out with amazing things on this. We really love the fold out shelves. If you can afford the deluxe, get the deluxe, because the fold out shelves make all the difference. Look at the surface area. That it's a lot less stress when everything's right where you need it. You don't want chaos. So definitely get you the deluxe. I like that stainless look on the front. You got a shelf underneath. Supports that 15-pound gas really well. This thing is sturdy. It's really nice. When you move it, it's unbelievable. I could just move it with one hand. It just glide right along, especially on a smoother surface. So hope you guys enjoyed this cook. They're beautiful. It's good quality, guys. For the price you're paying for this, Pitboss always delivers on quality. Can't say it enough. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, like and subscribe. It's time for us to eat lunch. I'm gonna dig into the buffalo chicken first. Get you one last look at that. That's it. We'll see you next time.